Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Barca Talks. Jordi Alba and Pedri are expected to be out for around 3 to 4 weeks. The interest from Barcelona in Manchester City winger Raheem Sterling is genuine. Barcelona priority for the winter market is to secure the loan move of Raheem Sterling. The player would accept, as he wants to get more minutes than he is getting at Manchester City. Mateu Alemany is already working on the operation. Barcelona hope to tempt Paul Pogba into joining the club on a free transfer next summer. When contract at Manchester United expires, Barcelona president Joan Laporta has already spoken to Pogba's agent about the possibility of convincing the midfielder to move to the Nou Camp. Dr. Noronha, the Barcelona medical team and the physios confirmed that Ansu's recovery is going perfectly well. After visiting him today, he will not be rushed back against Granada, but is expected to make his return by the Cadiz or Levante game. Jorge Mendes will meet Barcelona in the coming hours to negotiate the renewal of Ansu Fati, who has informed Mendes that he only wants to stay and this is his priority. Mendes is already in the city. Ansu Fati has received the medical green light from doctors on Thursday to play again, and Ronald Koeman has already set a date. Koeman plans on welcoming him back on the field for the game against Levante on Sunday 26 at the Camp Nou, in front of the home crowd. Manuel Neuer said in an interview, "If Barcelona wants to improve, I think they must put more on Philippe Coutinho. I felt more fear when he came in and tried to score. I know him very well and I know of his talent." Sergi Aguero could make his Barcelona debut against Rayo Vallecano, or against Alaves at the end of October. The Argentine feels better and better and is doing very well with his recovery. Laporta has the following names in mind if he sacks Koeman: Jordi Cruyff, Sergi Barjuan, Henrik Larsson, Xavi and Ten Hag. Talk of Barcelona potentially sacking Ronald Koeman has arisen in the wake of their 3-0 Champions League defeat to Bayern Munich in midweek. It was a chastening night for the Catalan club, who look a shadow of their old selves, and one possible candidate to take over is Antonio Conte, who is currently a free agent. Barcelona have revealed that Martin Braithwaite has undergone a successful operation on his injured knee, with the attacker now on the road to recovery. The 30-year-old has scored twice and registered 1 assist in 3 La Liga appearances at the start of the 2021-22 campaign, but picked up a knee problem during the clash with Getafe at the end of August. Braithwaite was absent for the Champions League game against Bayern Munich during the week, and the Denmark international is now facing an extended period on the sidelines. The Dane is expected to be on the sidelines for the next 3 to 4 months.